Morning, ma'am.
Okay.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning to all of you. Now, I was asking, is there any doubt in chapter number 1 and chapter number 2 in history? To anyone, any topic? Is there any doubt to anyone? So we will continue. Okay. One more thing about a art integration learning submission. Some of you children are submitted very nicely and some of you are being panic. So don't be panic. Last day of submission is 30th January. And after PT2 you need to submit it compulsorily. Okay, some of you were asking about, ma'am, all three we have to submit. No beta, any one of them. Is it clear? Am I properly audible to all of you? ठीक है? And I deleted that part from portal because lot many calls I was receiving for that. So after PT2, again I am repeating children, after PT2 you need to submit it. And those who are absent in the class, if you are connected, please convey the message. It compulsorily you need to attend the class. Compulsorily. Fine. And today we are going to discuss political science, because history hopefully none of you are facing any problem. So let's start political science chapter 1. That is what? Power sharing, which is the story of two countries, Belgium and Sri Lanka. Who will summarize the chapter? Who will summarize the chapter? Anyone of you, would you like to summarize the chapter? Nandika, yes beta. You may start. And beta, one more thing, daily, I will not tell you to keep on your video. है ना? I think all the teachers are telling, then after you are waiting for the command that teacher will tell, then we will start our video. So first of all, keep on your video for your attendance. Good, Mehul. Yes, Nandika? Beta, all of you are unmuted from my side. So if you want to tell something on your mic and tell me.
Yes, ma'am. This chapter is about two case studies of Sri Lanka and Belgium. So first, we are looking at the model of Belgium, wherein the language population is scattered very unevenly. So in the population, there is a certain number of people, and then there are other people in the whole country. So there is a minority and majority, but that differs in the capital city of Belgium and in the rest of the country. So now these people, the French and the other Dutch speaking community, they started to have some differences and conflict between one another, because both of them felt that one majority language must rule over the country. So the Belgium government, they understood this situation very well, and they established a community government, and they amended the constitution 4 times, and so as to suit the needs of both the communities, and they satisfied the needs, and they ensured that no language majority can make a majoritarian rule over the state.
Good.
So in that way they ensured harmony in the country. And where in Sri Lanka, there is the Sinhalese population and Tamil population. So both of them, they were having again some differences of opinion, because Sinhala people, they were in majority and the Tamils, they were in minority. And that the Sinhalese people, they started oppressing, and they started establishing only their rule in Sri Lanka, and the government supported this. They supported majoritarianism, and then the Sinhalese people took over the whole country, and the Tamil people felt out of place and alienated, because their needs were not being met properly.
Very good.
So there was violence, and there was civil war between the two communities till 2009,
Nice.
which gave a very huge economical setback.
Hmm. So overall, as a summary, we
So
can say,
by this we learn that,
yes, yes, continue.
yes, ma'am, by these two we learn that a government must look after the needs of both the majority and the minority, and the majority must work with the minority so as to ensure the harmony and peace inside the country.
Very good. So overall, as a summarize, we can say it power sharing is must. How power sharing is important. In this chapter, we learned true story of two countries, Belgium and Sri Lanka. Here, the meaning is given. Power sharing is a technique to share the power or to at different levels. It is an idea included in democracy so that the power is not concentrated at one hand only, and that different form can keep a check on other. Means क्या होता है, especially in a federalism, federal countries, है ना, we clearly know the power is not centralized, power is in a levels, in a different peoples, in hand of different peoples. Very nicely explained. So anyone else want to tell something else what Nandika tell rather than that? Here I'm just showing some slides. If you have any doubt, mic is open for you. You can raise question. Is it clear? Divyansh, would you like to explain it? Majority. Yes, Divyansh, would you like to tell? Divyansh Katrela, I'm asking to you, beta, would you like to tell on this topic? Majoritarian in Sri Lanka. Hmm? He's not there in this class. Am I audible, children, to all of you? Beta, all of you are unmuted from my side. None of you are mute. All of you are unmute, beta. क्लास में ऐसा क्यों होता है? Yes, what's the issue? All of you are unmuted, dear children. Why you're not getting my points? Yes, Viram?
Yes, ma'am.
Please tell.
Ma'am, please repeat the question.
It's not question, beta. It's
Please repeat the question.
actually it is not question, but I am repeating this. I shared one slide and told to explain this about the majoritarian in Sri Lanka. I was asking about this.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in Sri Lanka,
Yes.
the majoritism was supported by the Tamils were means the Tamils were not given the rights, but the Sinhala community, which was in large number, which was in majority, was given all the privileges. They have the rights to means they have given fair chance to participate in elections, and jobs were reserved for them, education system was rational for them, and many such thing was there. That means Sinhala language was recognized as official language, which made means the government partial given the proper rights. So by this way, majoritism was supported there.
Good. Fine. So, hopefully there isn't any doubt in this chapter. Next is majoritarian in Sri Lanka. है ना? Just we explain nicely explained by Viram. And next thing we read about this in this chapter was Sri Lanka. Major issue in Sri Lanka was language. So anyone of you want to explain? Although all the chapter is nicely explained by Nandika. Deshna Kakaria? Yes. Deshna, I am waiting, beta. Okay. No issue. Rianchi? Subrat? I'm not telling you to on your camera, but you can speak, Deshna. Subrat? Bhavi? Only Nandika and Viram will tell. Mehul? Mehul?
Yes, ma'am.
Now explain this.
Yes, ma'am.
Then Harshit, be ready.
Ma'am, which topic?
Is it visible? I'm asking the
No,
story of
ma'am.
Sri Lanka.
Just a second.
Okay. I'm asking a story of Sri Lanka. Then after I will share questions of this particular chapter.
Ma'am.
Is there any problem, Mehul?
Sri Lanka. No, ma'am.
Harshit? जब तक मेहुल स्टार्ट करता है, you can tell about the position of Sri Lanka.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Just summarize the story of Sri Lanka. No need to tell whole story. श्रीलंका की स्टोरी आप समराइज कर सकते हो?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, Sri Lanka is an island nation of population 2 crore.
हाँ. Yes, continue, Harshit. Harshit,
Yes, ma'am.
continue.
And the major social groups are Sinhala speaker, which is of 74%, and Tamil speaker were in minority.
Hmm.
And in Sri Lanka, Sinhala community enjoyed bigger majority and imposed its will.
Okay, fine. As Harshit told us that Sri Lanka is an island nation with yes, continue.
And Tamils are of two types,
Huh.
Sri Lankan Tamils and Indian Tamils.
Yes.
In Indian Tamils are those whose forefathers come from India,
Hmm.
and Sri Lankan Tamils were those who are the natives of Tamils.
Okay. So ultimately, with these two stories, civil war and all, we got to know is power is shared among different organs of government, such as the legislature, executive, and judiciary. Am I properly, am I properly audible to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Yes, ma'am. Now, okay.
Uh, so we can say it power sharing among the different organs of government, such as the legislature, executive, and judiciary. This is called horizontal distribution. Okay. This is called what? Horizontal distribution. Such as separation of ensure that none of the organs can exercise unlimited power. Each organ takes the other. This arrangement is called the system of check and balances. Next is
पकड़ न जाना पकड़
government at different levels.
मैं जाऊंगा तो घर भाग जाएगा वो अभी
Raj, mute
चिक
your.
चिक
Raj,
हाँ यस मैम यस
म्यूट करो बेटा,
रुक
म्यूट
जाओ म्यूट हो
बातें करो अपनी.
मैम अपने आप हो गया था
Okay, third point is power may also be shared among different social groups, है ना. हमने क्या पढ़ा था? सोशल ग्रुप सिन्हाला ये जो थे, इसमें बहुत सारे डिस्प्यूट्स हुए. उस स्टोरी से मिला कि हमारा जो कंक्लूजन मिला, दैट इज पावर में ऑल्सो बी शेयर्ड अमंग द डिफरेंट सोशल ग्रुप्स. नेक्स्ट इज पावर शेयरिंग अरेंजमेंट कैन ऑल्सो बी सीन इन द वे पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज, pressure groups and movements. So overall, this is the conclusion of or the summary of the chapter. So I think very few minutes in our hand.
Ma'am, 5 to 10 minutes are there.
No, only 3 minutes are there, beta. Only 3 minutes are there. So tomorrow I will share objective as well as question paper of particular chapter. Be ready for that. And again, I am repeating, children, that I omitted that section from portal because some of you were being panicked. And after PT2, you need to submit it. Got it? After PT2.
Ma'am, where we need to submit?
In the same portal, beta, I will share link again.
Okay,
मैम
ma'am.
कैन यू एक्सप्लेन अगेन
It's not
Okay,
PT2,
ma'am.
actually it is a pre-board for you people. है ना? Yes,
PT2 will
Akshat,
be not conducted.
sorry, Akshat.
मैम कैन यू एक्सप्लेन अगेन व्हाट वी हैव टू डू
For art and integration, I will share the link after PT2 in the portal, and you need to submit your project in portal only for the records. Okay? Is it clear?
मैम व्हाट इज प्रोजेक्ट दैट I'm saying.
There is no PT2.
PT2 is not for you. It's pre-board for you people. 80 marks questions would be there for 3 hours. Be ready, be prepared, and whole syllabus would be there, as you know.
Okay.
That's why I'm telling, is there any doubt in chapter 1 and 2 in history? Because we will not get time. Tomorrow we will,
No,
I will
ma'am, no
share-
doubt.
Tomorrow I will
Ma'am, when
share
we will get the timetable?
very soon. I think by today
Okay.
evening or tomorrow, by tomorrow. So
Okay.
tomorrow I will share, tomorrow means very next class, I will share the question paper, and today, Abhi, after this class, I will add one section for sample question papers. The things which we are discussing in the class, I will upload in the same portal. Okay, children? So you
Okay,
will
ma'am.
easily get it and keep practicing. Only by the practice you will get success. Fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, God bless you, children.